Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy here, also known as ETCG1. When I post videos to this channel, I know I'm not wearing the hat, but hey, I just walked into a spider web. And if it's your birthday, happy birthday. But I am in the salvage yard. That's the reason why I walked into a spider web, and you might have a little bit on you there, sorry. All right, I've been hanging out in the salvage yard since I was a kid. My grandfather had a part-time job at one, and he would go in and do stuff. I remember one day he brought me in and we spent the day taking motors out of washing machines, and that was like one of the first times that I'd had an experience in a salvage yard. And I just, man, for some reason, all the stuff that is like forgotten. I'm also into, ooh, another spider web. I'm also into abandoned places, things like that, places where people have been. Just the things that people leave behind or discard or no longer have use for have always had an interest to me. And I've always liked mechanical things, and you come to a salvage yard and you can take stuff apart and nobody's gonna yell at you, at least when I was a kid. You know, nobody was gonna yell at me or anything. They were just like, you know, hey, go to town, kid, have fun. So, you know, kind of the reason why I wanted to put this video out there was, I mean, what do you guys think of salvage yards? I mean, have you spent time in salvage yards? Have you, you know, what are the kind of things you did? What kind of memories do you have? All mine were good, and I'll share this one with you. One of the times where I realized that my grandfather, who was a World War II veteran, by the way, you know, did that just, in my mind, made him the ultimate badass was, I remember we were driving down the highway in this monster crane, like one of those cranes that has like all those wheels, and somehow he got it running in the yard and he had to drive it from one place to another. And I just remember being in that thing with him, and I was just thinking, I just saw him as like a god. That was like one of the coolest things ever, to see him do that. And I think that kind of mentorship and that kind of example is one of the things that put me in a place to where I saw a mechanical profession as something that I wanted to do, or just anything mechanical. I wasn't afraid of it. I wanted to do more of it because I wanted to be more like my grandfather and my dad. Anyway, what are your experiences? Hey, if you got automotive questions, ericthecarguy.com, that'll be linked in the description. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and do all those things that help me make a living. I really appreciate that. And please feel free to share your stories down in the comments, because I'm looking forward to reading those. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.